All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching out, still on the matter. Yòrùbá nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yeah, so onto this one, the good Lord have finally vindicated Chief Sunday Igboho again. The good Lord has vindicated Professor Banji Akintoye and then all other Yòrùbá nation agitators that are really for the movement in truth and in spirit. Yes, my brother, my sister, this is a great news for the Yòrùbá nation movement. Yes, some weeks ago, Mufty came out. He came out and he was of the opinion that all the people that are talking about Yòrùbá nation, that they should not involve the Igbo people. According to what he said, though, that in fact he is not for Yòrùbá nation at all. That all these Yòrùbá nation agitators, they are forbidding people. He was of the opinion that why will the Yòrùbá nation agitators use the head of Olokun as their logo? That never, he will never support Yòrùbá nation movement. That those people are just time wasters. That all he wants is Islamic nation. He said a lot of things that actually provoked many people. A lot of people have been of the opinion that what is the meaning of this? Why is this man talking like this? And meanwhile, some Igbo people from Osun State are so much in love with Chief Sunday Igboho, because they have seen it all. Like what I used to say, that any kolomo. No, most of them before now, they are these tough people that never believed in the Yòrùbá nation movement. Yes, they never believed in the movement at all, because they believe that it's only one Nigeria that can make it happen. But after which their family members were attacked by this same set of Fulani, to the extent that some of their lives were at stake. You know, at the end of it all, these people now came out to like, all these things that Yòrùbá nation agitators are talking about, all these things, hey, they are true too. Hey, my brother, my sister, they now started talking about the same Yòrùbá nation movement. What are we talking about now? This Mufty came out, and then he was like, these Yòrùbá nation agitators, they are forbidding people, they don't have sense, they don't do this. In fact, that why would they use the head of Olokun, Ori Olokun, as their symbol, as their logo? And then as it stands, now for God to have it, you know that Mufty is under Osun State. Igbo people are under Osun State. Yes, that's their state. Now, as God will have it, the governor, hey, my brother, my sister, this God is a great God. The governor of that state that he is now had to redesign the logo of Osun State, because that's the state. You need to redesign the logo of the state, and then in that logo, my brother, my sister, hey, you won't believe what the governor used as a logo of Osun State. He had to redesign it, and then he designed it with the same Orire Olokun, the same Orire Olokun that Mufty used to say he will never have anything to do with Yòrùbá nation movement. Now the governor of his state, his governor, has now used that Orire Olokun, the head of Olokun, as their logo, as you can see on your screen. My brother, my sister, can you fathom this? Now you will believe that there is God, Abi. So now everybody is not coming at that. The Mufty should go and fight the governor. That why would the governor use Orire Olokun as the logo of Osun State? Can you see now that this Yòrùbá nation movement, that there is God in it? That's exactly what I believe. As far as this movement is concerned, my brother, my sister, there is God in this movement. Because as it stands, we have been seeing a lot of wonderful works. God has been surprising us. Is it from the time of Chief Sunday Igboho, from his invasion we want to talk about, or from where he made Chief Sunday Igboho to come back to the country, left, and then nothing happened? Or do you want to talk about how Chief Sunday Igboho went to detention? In prison, he spent the number of days in happiness because he was so free that he could do and undo in Benin Republic. That's to tell you that there is God. And another thing for Chief Sunday Igboho to escape that invasion of how many of these DSS. That is the since then me I've been like this God is too good, I tell you, because for this man to have escaped that invasion, now he came back for his mother's burial, and he was able to do that without anybody touching him. Now he's back to Germany. Though a lot of people are of the opinion that Chief Sunday Igboho must come back to Nigeria in no time, and that's the prayer. Definitely it will happen. It will happen because the Yoruba people are of the opinion that Chief Sunday Igboho is the only man who they can trust, who has done it before and can do it again. In fact, he's a representative of God. My brother, my sister, now this Mufty Iwo made it clear earlier that nothing will make him to support Yoruba Nation movement. That those people that are doing it, they are this, they are that. Yes. My brother, my sister, the same Orire that this man says he does not want, that he dislike in Yoruba Nation, is the same logo that the governor of the state have now used to redesign the logo of Osun State. My brother, my sister, who is fooling who? Who is fooling who? That's exactly what we are talking about. Majority of people was getting a lot of reactions. Majority of people are of the opinion that yes, this is to show you that God is bigger than every enemy of our soul. That God is bigger than them, no matter what. My brother, my sister, no matter how they try to say they want to bring down Yoruba Nation, God is still elevating it. Okay, look at what the Republic of Yoruba, this dry nation people, look at what they try to do. We got all the information. What they actually came for was to make sure they tarnish the image of Yoruba Nation, so that every other governor, even the president, will now proscribe them as a terrorist group. My brother, my sister, but at the end of it all, what happened? God vindicated the people, the culprits. You need to see the way they were tortured. I was even watching some of their videos not quite long, the way they were torturing these people. I was like, wow. Because of Dupe Onitiri, it's because of Dupe Onitiri that they went through that punishment. And then I don't know what Dupe Onitiri actually lied to them about, because many of them came out. They are of the opinion that yes, this woman promised them heaven and earth, that the hardship is too much and they should make sure they live happily again. My brother, my sister, at the end of the day, where are the people? They are now in detention. I always say these things, so Uja bless, no man curse. Uja bless, no man curse. Person wey be say God don't bless, no man fit curse that person. Chief Sunday Igboho is their man, is their father, is their babanla. My brother, my sister, I'm just happy. I'm so happy that it is in those days they will say, don't worry, I put you in the hands of God. God will judge you. But this time around, you don't even need to put anybody in the hands of God. Immediately the judgment is coming. My brother, my sister, this is not funny at all. Now the governor for your state, make una go drag am. Yes, that's exactly what we are talking about. They should go and drag this man. Let's see if they will be able to drag him. That why will he use Orire? Yoruba Nation agitators did not commit any offense. They just did what is needful, what is right, what they love. But you can imagine what is going on right now. Mufty Iwo, Orire, that he won't support Yoruba Nation because that's what Yoruba Nation are using. Now the governor of his state has now changed the logo of the entire state of Osun State, and he used this Orire. As you can see, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what we are talking about. I know a lot of people be like, yes, so God has done it in no time, and exactly what it is. In no time, Yoruba Nation shall be actualized. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is actually reaching us onto this one. And then as it stands, if this is your first time that you are joining us, well, try as much as possible to subscribe, to like and share. Until I come your way next time, I say bye for now.